The Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts is to get a boost in music production with a world-class music studio. The college yesterday signed an agreement with global entertainment marketing agency, the SMC Group, to enhance the music and audio production, animation, as well as dance specializations at the college. Speaking at the launch event, President at Jamaica Promotions Corporation Jampro Diane Edwards says the partnership will begin with an investment into the development of a music production studio.
The partnership will include the build-out and fully equipping a music studio for an initial investment of $30,000 US for ideation and creation of music for advertising. And I really salute this because we really need to get more into the business side of music and creative industries. It will include execution of an apprenticeship program, hiring 5 graduates per year from the college. Apprentices will have the opportunity to produce musical content that will be used in global advertising campaigns, following in the footsteps of Sean Paul and Shaggy.
She added that this new collaboration between Edna and SMC is in line with the Jampro's mandate to develop and export talent to the multi-billion-dollar orange economy.
This investment is totally aligned with Jampro's strategy on the export of services. In 2012, the global income generated from the orange economy, as the creative economy is called, was estimated at $547 billion US.
Vice Principal at Edna, Karian Henry, also spoke at the signing ceremony and says this will help students to select a viable career path.
For a lot of the students, when you're going to choose your major and specialization in the arts, we get the comment of, what can you do with this? Can you earn? What happens in society after when you leave? And we are grateful that SMC has chosen to partner with us so that we can show a viable platform, a viable opportunity for students, and we're very excited about that. Dan would have mentioned the fact that we are going to benefit from 5 guaranteed apprenticeships from SMC, and also for the fact that added to this, there are guaranteed job placements on exit. How exciting is that? But what we have not spoken about as yet is that the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts has a small business development center. So when we're talking about business of the arts, we are serious.
The initiative is part of SMC's global strategy to have Jamaica and the Caribbean recognized as an international resource for innovative content in the fields of creative and performing arts. Ryking King is back in studio. He's been producing new music in celebration of life since his shooting incident last year. The tough Montego Bay artist released a reflective In My Mind.
Yeah, man, I edit. Self and myself a lot of things sometime. And in my mind, my thoughts, them are samurai. You don't watch them boy there. And in my mind, my thoughts, them are samurai.
In My Mind is a pre-release from his heavily anticipated album, slated for later this year. I'm Deidran reporting for E! Prime.